Question number 1. According to Invest India report, India's e-commerce market is expected to grow to $325 billion by which year? Answer A 2025, answer B 2027, answer C 2030, answer D 2040. Correct answer is C 2030. 2. Recently NPCI signed an agreement with which African country for UPI like instant payment service? Answer A. Namibia, B. Tanzania. Question number D. Nigeria. Correct answer is A. Namibia. Question number 3. India recently agreed to enhance cooperation in energy and local currency settlement with which African country? A. Kenya, B. Tanzania, C. Senegal, and D. Nigeria. Correct answer is D. Nigeria. Question number 4. Badra Tiger Reserve is located in which state? A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Gujarat, D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is B. Karnataka. Question number 5. Recently, where was the 7th India-Indonesia Joint Defence Cooperation Committee meeting held? A. New Delhi, B. Jakarta, C. Chennai, D. Hyderabad. Correct answer is A. New Delhi. Question number 6. What is the rank of India in the World Press Freedom Index 2024? A. 158, B. 159, C. 160, D. 161. Correct answer is B. 159. Question number 7. Recently, which state has decided to implement the central government's Smart PDS scheme? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Maharashtra, D. Karnataka. Correct answer is B. Kerala. Question number 8. Recently, which organization set the maximum residue limits MRLS for pesticides in food products in India? A. FSSAI, B. CSIR, C. ICAR, and D. CPCB. Answer is A. FSSAI. Next question. Question number 9. Which state did the Supreme Court recently order to hold illegal mining in the Aravalli Range? Answer A. Gujarat, B. Haryana, C. Rajasthan, D. Punjab. Correct answer is C. Rajasthan. Question number 10. Saksam Valley is a territorial dispute between which two countries? A. India and Bhutan, B. India and Pakistan, C. India and Nepal, D. China and Pakistan. Answer is B. India and Pakistan. Question number 11. Recently, who has been appointed as President of Goods and Service Tax, short form GST, Appellate Tribunal? A. O.P. Chaudhary, B. Pankaj Chaudhary, C. Sanjay Kumar Mishra, D. Ajay Bhushan Pandey. Correct answer is C. Sanjay Kumar Mishra. Question number 12. Recently, Adani Green Energy Limited has secured $400 million green loan for its under construction solar project in which states? A. Haryana and Punjab, B. Bihar and Jharkhand, C. Rajasthan and Gujarat, D. Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Correct answer is C. Rajasthan and Gujarat. Next question. प्लीज़ दोस्तों लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब, ये मई मंथ के करंट अफेयर्स के इम्पोर्टेंस क्वेश्चन है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. हु हैव बीन नेम एज laureates of the 2024 UNESCO और Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize? A. Russian journalist, B. Ukrainian journalist, C. Palestinian journalist, D. Chinese journalist. Correct answer is C. Palestinian journalist. मित्रों, ये हम मई महीने का करंट अफेयर्स देख रहे हैं अभी तक के 1 से 20 तक के जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर थे वो कवर किए हैं जो गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम रिलेटेड है। प्लीज कीप एंड वॉच फुल वीडियो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, विच स्टेट आर रिलेटेड विथ द डिस्प्यूट ऑफ मुल्लापेरियार डैम? ए केरला एंड तमिलनाडु, बी राजस्थान एंड गुजरात, सी बिहार एंड झारखंड, डी तेलंगाना एंड आंध्र प्रदेश। करेक्ट आंसर इज ए केरला एंड तमिलनाडु। मित्रों, यदि ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर टू ऑल ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स who are engaged in preparation of government exam. Next question. Question number 15. Which organization sets maximum residue limits for pesticides in food products in India? A. FSSAI, B. CSIR, C. ICAR, D. CPCB. Answer is A. FSSAI. Question number 16. Polavaram water project is associated with which states? A. Rajasthan, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Maharashtra, D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Andhra Pradesh. Question number 17. What is the causative agent of West Nile fever recently in news? A. Bacteria, B. Virus, C. Protozoa, D. Fungus. Correct answer is D. Virus. Question number 18. Pyrenees Mountains forms a natural border between which two countries? A. Germany and Switzerland, B. Norway and Sweden, C. Hungary and Romania, D. Spain and France. Correct answer is D. Spain and France. Question number 19. What is the primary focus of Glide Phase Interceptor GPI project? A. Missile interception, B. Ocean exploration, C. Mineral exploration, D. Space exploration. Correct answer is A. Missile interception. Question number 20. Bambi bucket operation is associated with which state? Answer A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Uttarakhand, C. Haryana, D. Punjab. Correct answer is B. Uttarakhand. Question number 21. What is the theme for International Nurses Day 2024? A. Our nurses, our future, the economic power of care. B. Closing the gap. C. Nurses, a voice to lead. D. Nurses, a force for change. Correct answer is A. Our nurses, our future, the economic power of care. Question number 22. DRDO has recently collaborated with which IIT for undertaking AI-driven surveillance and other projects? A. IIT Madras, B. IIT Kanpur, C. IIT Bhubaneswar, D. IIT Bombay. Correct answer is C. IIT Bhubaneswar. Question number 23. Churdar Valley is located in which state? A. Kerala, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is C. Himachal Pradesh. Question number 24. Innan River is a tributary of which river? A. Godavari, B. Kaveri, C. Krishna, D. Yamuna. Correct answer is D. Yamuna. Question number 25. Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, recently seen in news, is associated with which space organization? A. ISRO, B. JAXA, C. NASA, and D. CNSA. Correct answer is C. NASA. Question number 26. Which country unveiled the world's first 6G device? A. Japan, B. China, C. Russia, D. India. Correct answer is A. Japan. Question number 27. What is the theme of National Dengue Day 2024? A. Dengue prevention, our responsibility for a safer tomorrow. B. Fight dengue, save lives. C. C. Effective community engagement key to dengue control. D. Fight against dengue. Correct answer is A. Dengue prevention, our responsibility for a safer tomorrow. Question number 28. Recently, where was the third session of the India Zimbabwe Joint Trade Committee JTC held? A. New Delhi. B. Chennai. C. Hyderabad. D. Bangalore. Correct answer is A. New Delhi. Question number 29. Recently, the central government has collaborated with which company to block more than 1000 Skype IDs used in the digital arrest scam? A. Google. B. Microsoft. C. Meta. D. Flipkart. Correct answer is B. Microsoft. Question number 30. An endangered species red panda was recently spotted in which wildlife sanctuary of Arunachal Pradesh? A. Talle Valley Wildlife Sanctuary. B. Kamlang Wildlife Sanctuary. C. Eagle Nest Wildlife Sanctuary. D. Dibang Wildlife Sanctuary. Correct answer is C. Eagle Nest Wildlife Sanctuary.